Good morning, my dear little kids. How are you? I hope you all are good and happy. So, kids, in our math subject, you all know about number 11. Okay? Now, you all are very well aware how to count number 11 and how to write number 11. Okay? So, kids, today we are going to learn about number 12. 1 to 12. Okay, which number? Number 12. So kids, look here. So kids, 1 to 12. Okay, which number is this? 1 to 12. Okay, now see downside. Here we have some dancing cartoons. Okay, so you have to count how many cartoons we have. Okay, so let's start from here. Count with me and speak with your ma'am. Okay, so let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so here we have 12 cartoons. How many cartoons? 12 cartoons. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Okay kids? Now kids, I have some more objects, so you have to count with your ma'am and speak counting with your ma'am. Okay? So come and join me. So now kids, here I have some ice cream sticks. Okay? So we have to count how many ice cream sticks are there. Look here kids, this is number 12. 1, 2, 12. So kids, why I written here TO2? Because we have 2 digits. Okay, so 2 is for ones and 1 is for tens. Okay, whenever we have 2 digits, so we have to write upside TO2. Okay, so 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Okay, now let's count with your ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay kids, so how many ice cream sticks are there? We have 12 ice cream sticks. Okay. Now kids, I have some sketch pens. Okay. So we have to count this also. How many sketch pens are there? So let's count with your ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. Okay. So how many sketch pens we have? We have 10 sketch pen and 2 pencil colors. Okay, so total colors we have 12. 1 to 12. Okay kids? So kids, now I have one color palette. Okay, so you have to count with your ma'am. So let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so how many colors we have? We have 12 colors. Okay, so kids, now activity time. So kids, are you ready for this activity? Yes, so let's start. So kids, for this activity you have to draw one picture like this. Okay, now you have to take 1 to 12 papers in rectangle shape. Okay, and you have to take Fevicol. Okay, now let's start today's activity. So kids, what you have to do? First you have to take number 1. Which number you have to take? Number 1. Then take 1 drop of Fevicol like this. Okay, then from this side small rectangle shape colored papers are there, so you have to take which number you are taking here? Number 1. So you have to take from here number 1 paper. Take this and paste it like here. Okay, now same. Now you have to take number 2. Okay, take Fevicol and then take from here number 2. Okay, and paste it near this number 2 like this. Okay, as same you have to take number 3. Take 1 drop of Fevicol. Then from this side you have to take number 3 slip. Okay, and paste here like this. Okay, so kids, like this you have to complete this activity by number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 numbers. Okay, so kids, you have to do this activity at your home and send me the page. Now I am taking work in our book Candy Numbers. Okay, so page number 38. So very first what you have to do, as usual, very first you have to write here CW and today's date. Okay, now see kids, today we have one activity in this book. Okay, and what is the activity? Use your fingerprints to make 1 to 12 leaves on this tree. Okay, so you can see here we have one tree, but what is missing? Can you guess what is missing in this tree? Yes, leaves are not there. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to take watercolor or acrylic color. Okay, I am using here green color. So try to use green color, and if you don't have green color, then take any color. Okay, so what you have to do? Take your finger and dip in the color like this. Then what you have to do? You have to print here and count the leaves like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again I am taking some more color. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, so you have to complete this tree by your fingerprint and make 12 leaves. Okay, now see kids, downside trace and write the number 12. Okay, so how to write number 12? First you have to make standing line. Okay, then from this dot you have to make curve, come down, make slant line and then make slipping line. Okay, again make standing line, then from this dot you have to make curve, then make slant line and then make slipping line. Okay, so like this you have to complete this tracing line. Now see downside, here we don't have any dot, so you have to put here one dot. Okay, then from this dot you have to make standing line. Okay, then here you have to put one more dot, then from this dot you have to make curve, then make slant line, touch this blue line and from here you have to make one slipping line. Okay, again make one dot, then make standing line. Okay, then make one more dot here, then make curve and slant line, touch this blue line and make slipping line. Okay, so like this you have to complete this all. Page number 38 is your CW page. Okay, now come to next page. This is page number 39. Okay, here you have to write HW. Okay, now see, trace and color the number 12 with crayon. Okay, so we have one big 12. Okay, 1, 2, 12. Okay, And what is the formation of number 12, kids? Standing line, curve, then slant line, then make slipping line. Okay, so very first you have to trace this one like this. Okay, like this you have to trace first. Okay, when your tracing part is over, then take crayon. Okay, you can take any color from your choice. Then you have to color it like this. Okay, like this you have to color this one. Okay, like this. Okay, so same as number 1, you have to trace this number 2 and color this also. And downside, first you have to trace this line, and downside you have to make number 12 like this. Okay,